shrimp potato stew, or black pepper shrimp potato bowl, or black pepper prawn potato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the shrimp recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most delicious of the prawn recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the bowl recipes. One of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes. We're going to make black pepper shrimp potato bowl. 400 grams of shrimp, which we have deveined and cleaned and taken off the shell. Put in the paste made from grinding 1 red chili, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, and 1 10-gram tamarind piece together, and nicely apply the oil to the shrimp. Thoroughly apply with salt to taste. Thoroughly apply onto the shrimp. And let the shrimp rest in the marinade around 2 to 3 hours. The next ingredients are 15 grams of ginger, around 10 to 15 shallots cut into small pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic, and around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. fabulous salt. Keep on sauteing. Put in the garlic. Salt. Not the garlic. On sauteing. Put in the tomato pieces. Tomato pieces. The ginger garlic in the shell. Add in salt. Now put in the marinated prawn piece. Here's the marinade. Very good. Put in salt taste, please. Salt. Put in the potato pieces. Saute the pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. One 50 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black pepper shrimp potato stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper shrimp potato bowl or black pepper shrimp potato stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the shrimp recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the prawn recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.